Algorithm. Representing the data in a sequential way, step by step, is called algorithm. Example: write the step to make the fruit shake. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Take the fruits. Step 3. Take 2 bottles of milk. Step 4. Cut the fruits and put it in the blender. Step 5. Grind with the blender. Step 6. Pour the milk in the blender. Step 7. Enjoy your yummy fruit juice. Features of an algorithm. The algorithm should have clear explanations for each step. Algorithms must be independent of programming language. After a limited number of steps, algorithms must be stopped. An algorithm must have a specific well-defined output and 0 or more well-defined inputs. Advantages of an algorithm. Easy to understand. Follow a certain protocol. A step-by-step explanation of how to solve a certain problem.